Differences between explanatory research and exploratory research. Explanatory research versus exploratory research. Explanatory research is defined as a research method that explores why something occurs when limited information is available, whereas exploratory research is defined as a research used to investigate a problem which is not clearly defined. Aim of explanatory research is to explain how events happened by comprising data based on cause-effect relationships, whereas aim of exploratory research is to define questions and hypotheses for a subsequent study or to determine the feasibility of desired research procedure. While questions of explanatory research and exploratory research are started with how and why, nature of explanatory research is instrumental, whereas nature of exploratory research is intrinsic. Research approach used in explanatory research is highly structured, whereas research approach used in exploratory research is unstructured. Research conducted through using research hypothesis in explanatory research, whereas research conducted through asking research questions in exploratory research. Explanatory research are conducted in later stages of decision-making, whereas exploratory research is conducted in early stages of decision-making. Number of cases in explanatory research is collective, whereas number of cases in exploratory research are single. Units of analysis in explanatory research are subunits or holistic unit of analysis, whereas units of analysis in exploratory research is holistic unit of analysis. Search for explanatory theories in explanatory research, whereas search for causal theories in exploratory research. Research issues in explanatory research are focus on how and why do research findings get into practical use, whereas research issues in exploratory research are broad design determined well ahead. Focus on actual behavioral events rather than events. Common approach of explanatory research is aimed at presenting a causal linkage and explaining which causes produced which effects, whereas common approach of exploratory research is field work is done prior to the definition of research problem and aimed at defining the issues of subsequent study. Degree of problem definition in explanatory research are key variables and key relationships are defined, whereas degree of problem definition in exploratory research are key variables not defined. Example of case studies in explanatory research are used by Alango, 2008 and Saror et al., 2009, whereas example of case studies in exploratory research are used by Memchik, 2008, Peck, 2005 and Suring, 2003. Possible situations in explanatory research are: which of two training programs is more effective for reducing labor's turnover? Can I predict the value of energy stocks if I know the current dividends and growth rates of dividends? Do buyers prefer our product in a new package? Whereas, possible situations in exploratory research are: quality of services are declining and we don't know why. Would people be interested in our new product idea? How important is business process re-engineering as a strategy? While kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.